Hey guys, Mike DiDonato here from Fiamma Canada, and today we're going to do a milk system clean on the Jura S8. Things you'll need for this: your milk system cleaning container and the milk system tablets. After making a milk drink, the machine will ask you to clean the milk system. You'll see that indication in the top middle of the screen. You select that and you're going to start the process. Now, on the S8, you'll see on the screen it'll show you to use the liquid milk cleaning solution. Now that's been discontinued and replaced with tablets. So what you're going to do is put one click of the tablets in, a little bit of warm water, wait for that to dissolve, and then start the process. What's going to happen now is the machine will draw that solution through and pour out that solution into the second chamber. Now once that process is done, you're going to take that container, the milk container, rinse it out, put fresh water, put it back in place, connect the tube again, and let it pull fresh water through to remove any solution that's left over. Once that's done, you're ready to go. Thanks for watching the video on how to clean the milk system on the Jura S8. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram at Fiamma_Canada and check out our website for cleaning and maintenance products, www.fiamma.ca.